Why your outfits feel boring. Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like your outfit is fine but not exciting? Not wrong, not messy, just forgettable. The truth is, most outfits don't fail because of what you wear, but because of how everything comes together. And once you understand this, everything changes. In this video, we're breaking down exactly why your outfits feel boring and, more importantly, how to fix it instantly, using simple styling principles that elevate anything you wear. The real problem: too much safe. Most boring outfits have one thing in common: they feel too safe. Everything matches, everything blends, and nothing stands out. It's the kind of outfit that doesn't make mistakes but also doesn't make an impression. When every element follows the same tone, texture, and energy, the result feels flat. There's no tension, no contrast, no reason for the eye to pause. And without that visual interest, even good pieces can feel underwhelming. The fix isn't to add more, but to introduce intention. Style becomes interesting the moment you allow contrast to exist within it. Mistake 1. Everything matches too perfectly. Matching feels correct but often looks predictable. When your colors, textures, and silhouettes all align too neatly, the outfit loses personality. Think about it: when everything is coordinated, nothing leads. The look becomes uniform, almost invisible. It feels polished but not memorable. Instead, aim for balance, not perfection. Let one element break the harmony slightly. This subtle disruption is what creates depth and makes the outfit feel alive. Mistake 2. No clear focus. Another reason outfits feel boring is the lack of a focal point. When everything is equally quiet, the eye doesn't know where to look. Strong outfits always have a sense of hierarchy. Something leads, something supports. Without that structure, the entire look feels undefined. To fix this instantly, choose one element to stand out through color, shape, or texture. When one piece takes the lead, everything else starts to make sense around it. Mistake 3. Flat silhouette. Even with good pieces, a flat silhouette can make everything feel dull. When the shape of the outfit lacks variation, it loses movement and dimension. Style is not just about what you wear, but how it occupies space. Proportion, volume, and structure all play a role in how dynamic an outfit feels. By introducing variation, something structured against something fluid, something fitted against something relaxed, you instantly create visual rhythm. Mistake 4. Ignoring texture. Texture is often overlooked, but it's one of the fastest ways to elevate a look. When everything has the same surface quality, the outfit can feel visually one-dimensional. Even in neutral colors, texture creates depth. It adds subtle complexity without making the outfit louder. Mixing textures, soft with structured, matte with slightly reflective, brings richness into the styling, making it feel more considered and refined. Mistake 5. Accessories as an afterthought. Many outfits feel incomplete simply because the accessories weren't part of the original intention. They're added at the end instead of being integrated into the look. But accessories are not extras, they are part of the composition. They can define the tone, sharpen the silhouette, or shift the entire mood of an outfit. When chosen intentionally, even a simple accessory can transform a look from basic to distinctive. The instant fix, think in composition, not pieces. The biggest shift you can make is this. Stop thinking in individual items and start thinking in composition. Great style isn't about having better clothes, it's about creating relationships between them. Contrast, balance, focus, and proportion are what make an outfit feel complete. Once you start seeing your outfit as a whole visual system instead of separate pieces, styling becomes intuitive, and everything you wear begins to feel more intentional. If your outfits have been feeling boring, it's not because you don't have good pieces, it's because the styling lacks contrast, focus, and intention. The moment you shift how you think about style, everything changes. And suddenly, even the simplest outfit can feel refined, confident, and effortlessly put together.